you could be sitting behind a $100,000 trading account and keeping 80% of every single dollar you make. You did not risk $100,000 of your own money. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. What if I told you that right now, today, you could be sitting behind a $100,000 trading account and keeping 80% of every single dollar you make without putting up $100,000 of your own capital? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. And not only that, but I'm going to give you the best 5 tips which I can give you to actually pass the trading challenge and get funded. So these are the steps that most people usually skip, and it's exactly why most people fail. So there is a link in the description right now with a buy one get one free offer on trading challenges for a limited time only. Make sure you grab that offer and continue watching the video. So let's get into it. First of all, I want to start the video by saying this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. And of course, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's start from the very beginning, because some of you may be thinking, what's Bitfunded and what is a prop firm? So a prop firm is short for a proprietary trading firm. It's a company that gives skilled traders access to their capital. The concept originally came from Forex trading, but it's now made its way into crypto. And Bitfunded is one of the first platforms built exclusively for crypto traders. This is actually a big deal, because most prop firms out there actually build around MetaTrader or traditional assets. Crypto traders do not want to be on those platforms. Bitfunded built their own trading platform that works exactly like the exchanges you already know and love to use. So the same order book, the same limit and market orders, the same stop losses and take profits. The learning curve is basically zero. If you've ever used another exchange, a popular crypto exchange out there, you already know how to use Bitfunded. So here is the core concept. Bitfunded gives you access to a trading account where from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000, you can trade with their capital. You make a profit, you keep 80% of it. They keep 20%. That's the deal. You keep 80%. It's honestly pretty simple. Now, here's what most people don't fully appreciate until they sit down and actually do the maths. If you have a $100,000 funded trading account, you make 10% on that. That is $10,000 in profit. You take home $8,000 and you did not put up the $100,000 in the first place. You did not risk $100,000 of your own money. That is the power of trading with other people's money. And in this case, Bitfunded's money. So compare that to someone sitting at home with $500 in their crypto portfolio, trying to 10x their way to life-changing money. The math just isn't on your side when you're trading with things that size. Bitfunded flips that entirely, and the link in the description right now actually has a buy one, get one free on their trading challenges. Now, when you take these trading challenges, it's perfectly normal not to pass the first time. It's not easy. However, at the end of the video, I will be giving you 5 different tips how you can pass these first challenges. So here is how it benefits traders. I want to talk about this because maybe you've tried trading on traditional exchanges, or maybe you've tried trading before and you haven't had much success, specifically using your own capital. So let me really break down why it's such a big issue. So the number one problem that most traders have is actually not skill, it's capital. You might have a genuinely solid strategy. You might be great at reading the charts, but if you're working with only $500 in your account, even a 20% gain is only $100 in profit. You can start to see how it's difficult to build from there. With Bitfunded, your only upfront risk is the cost of the challenge. We're talking about $79 for a $5,000 account challenge, or $149 for the $100,000 account, and around $999 for the $100,000 account challenge. That is your maximum downside. If things don't go your way and you blow your account, you haven't lost your money. You've only lost the cost of the challenge. This is why many traders are flocking to Bitfunded, because they can learn and grow as a trader without risking their own capital. If you pass, and I'm going to give you the exact strategy to do that in a minute, you are now trading with capital which you would never have had access to otherwise. You can run multiple accounts at the same time with different strategies. You can scale up as your confidence grows, and every 48 hours you can withdraw your profits in USDT directly to your own wallet. The 80-20 split is in your favor. 80 to you, 20 to Bitfunded, combined with zero exposure to the full account size. It's genuinely a powerful step up for any trader who has the discipline to follow their own rules. The link in the description, as I said, will get you a buy one get one free offer for a limited time only. So how do we buy a challenge, Jack? I'm waiting. Tell me. So let me walk you through the whole process on doing so. Step one, head to the link in the description. That gives you buy one, get one free. Click it and you'll be taken to the Bitfunded landing page, and you can go ahead and register there. Enter your email, confirm it, and you're in. It literally takes 30 seconds. Step two, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the different challenge account sizes, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, and $100,000. Pick the one which matches where you are right now in your trading journey. If you are newer to trading, I would strongly suggest starting with a 5 or 10,000 account. Get your reps in, learn the rules, build your confidence. Don't just jump straight to 100,000 just because the upside looks exciting. Step number 3 is go ahead and take a challenge type. So there are 2 different challenge types, a step 2 challenge and a step 1 challenge. The step 2 challenge is in fact cheaper, but you have to pass 2 evaluation stages before you get the account. So stage 1, you need to hit 8% profit, and stage 2, you need to hit 5% profit. Pass both and you'll get a funded account. The step 1 challenge is slightly more expensive, but you only need to hit 10% once and you are through. Personally, I think a step 1 is cleaner and just more straightforward. That's the one I would go for. Step 4, you pay your challenge with a card or crypto, entirely up to you. And once you've done, you'll see your challenge in your dashboard. It now shows your current profile, your drawdown levels, your trading days, and everything tracked in real time, so you always know exactly where you stand. Step 5, you trade on Bitfunded's platform, over 100 different crypto pairs available, up to 5x leverage, full order book, just like a regular exchange. Place your trades, manage your positions, set your stop losses, and take profits exactly as you would on a normal exchange. Remember, right now in the description, there is a buy one, get one free offer for a limited time only. So on top of these prices, in my opinion, really cheap prices for a massive account size, which you can get, you're going to get buy one, get one free as well. If you buy a step 1 first, the free account will be a step 2. However, you're getting it completely for free, so you can't complain. So as I promised you earlier in the video, I want to give you the 5 best tips, to pass a Bitfunded challenge and get that funded account, because you need to pass the challenge first to get the funded account. These are not generic trading tips. These are specifically built around how Bitfunded works and the rules you have to follow. So tip number 1, know your numbers before you even place a single trade. Before you open your first position, sit down and do the math on your account. On a $10,000 challenge, your maximum loss is around 4%. That is $400 for the day. Your max total drawdown is 6%. That is $600 across the whole challenge. So here's what this info means in practice. Risk no more than 0.5% of your account per trade. On a $10,000 account, that is $50 per trade. That means you can take 12 consecutive trades that lose before you are out of the challenge entirely. Most traders simply blow the challenges in the first session because they never do the math. Don't be like them. Do the math, write it down, get a pen and paper, whatever you want, and put it next to your screen before you start. Just because Bitfunded gives you 5x leverage, it does not mean that you need to use it. Nurse the account with good risk management and the profit will start to show on its own. Step number 2, wait for high conviction setups only. Here's the truth about passing these challenges, guys. The traders who fail are not always bad traders, but they are impatient traders. They feel like they have to be in the trade all the time, and if they're not, they're missing out on something. Trading can sometimes be like a casino. You can walk in any time, but that does not mean that the table is in fact hot. The right time to enter is when you have confluence. Your level lining up with a point of control, an anchored VWAP or a key fib level, or just a clear order block. When you have 2 or 3 of those things pointing at the same zone, that is your entry. When you have nothing, sit on your hands. Do not touch the trading desk. Sitting on the sidelines is, of course, guys, a trade in itself. Preserve your capital for the high conviction setups. One great trade covers several small losses, but one reckless trade can completely wipe out the whole challenge. Tip number 3. This is a non-negotiable on a Bitfunded account, in my opinion. Always know your stop before you enter. Know your invalidation level before you even think about your target. Your stop loss goes in the moment your trade is open, not after, not when it starts moving against you. One specific thing that's specific to Bitfunded: once your trade is in profit, you cannot move your stop loss above your entry. Your stop always has to sit at or below entry. So plan around it. That rule from the start. Don't fight it, work with it. A well-placed stop loss is not a loss. It's what basically keeps your challenge alive for the next trade. Tip number 4, do not force trades to chase the chart. A lot of traders get to day 4 or 5 and they're sitting in about, let's say, 6% in profit, and they need 8% to pass the challenge. And suddenly they start trading and taking different setups that they would never normally touch. This is where your challenges die. Stay disciplined, stick to your process, and let the target come to you. There is no countdown clock on these challenges. You have time. Small, consistent gains across multiple sessions is the way to pass this, guys. Spread your risk across multiple mix-up setups, some long, some short. Not every trade is going to work out, and that's fine. That's just life. The winners will more than cover the ones which do not go your way if your risk management is set up correctly. Do not blow up a single challenge by forcing one last trade just to get across the line in the last dying seconds. And number 5, my final tip, is hack the minimum trading days rule. So here is a practical trick which barely anyone talks about. The challenge requires a minimum of 5 days trading, regardless of how quickly you hit your profit target. So if you've already smashed through your 8% target by day 3, amazing, great, but you still need to log 2 or more trading days before you can pass. Here is what you do. Close your main trades, lock in your gains, and then open a tiny nominal position, the smallest size the platform will allow, and just to register that day as an active trading day. Keep it so small that generally it cannot hurt your account. This protects everything you built, ticks off the trading day requirement, and gets you funded account very, very quickly. So work the rules. Do not let the rules work against you. So there you have it, a full breakdown of Bitfunded, how prop trading works with crypto, how to buy your challenge, and the 5 tips which can actually get you a funded account. The link is in the description, guys. Bitfunded have been very, very kind to partner with me on this video and give you one account away completely for free when you buy one. Make the most of this challenge. It's not as easy as it seems, but with these tips, with a lot of dedication and hard work and risk management controls, you can pass these challenges. As a kind reminder, guys, at the end, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. Please consult a financial advisor if you want to take any financial decisions in your jurisdiction. And finally, a reminder, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So that's it for the video. I really appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments which account you're buying, what challenges you're going to take. I'm really interested to know, and maybe I can do an update video or some posts on X or something talking about these challenges. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.